Mensi janyara kele bukwa nkwi bembe Accra do chenang banna ubor biu ango umborona ubor maga kumbol le binyaw ke undan le knasil ubor biu atabu unanar kutrin litul be klirum kpakpando ya bembe Accra do chenang banna kede be de nyar mobo bukwa nkwi kal kede ilanda de kpa kubeke ubor maga kumbol adan knanga Accra kpakpamba na ke bejandu kede nyar ukabor o biu ke ni adoti otinto de second na bitafo palace na ubor unye bikar aborna akiye paramount chief kiditi bikar atungbambo na ga ubor magal kumbo ni wanu kwib na kedekpa kiche binin kwibin kama bin pulbe ba borna kwogbanna bu wurnyi kiyim batungbawa ke gaset ubor magal kumbo ke umalen dane kenan lead bukpakpa bin kama bin pulbe Accra do chenangbanna ke debe kedu tritinyale ni abombo ubor unukpol kin ujarinji de lemobol kediti kena ajinjungu mana mampon kena abombo ubor ni
bena me fe ko me na me ba me ishina kanu atwa me no kai na me ba na me kelo leba ka me ya me kelo leba ya nwanya me fa me hie abu me ka me bi ka me ho fe ka me wokocho mi fe abu mu fi amu atwa no kai fu afe nyoji fu afe agbama twa no manya ba
aigo
na cheme ka nyeme wo cheke teke ba me ko na me nu da nuji na me kaji la je won nuji na ke ni kaji ayesane na ke nu hwese no fa no joy wo ka nu na hwesi ni na da no ka hwesi ni na wa fa ajo ya wo e fa na ba na e fe $20 ha twa no manya ba
aigo
balang.
Objective is, last year, our creator called the then Greater Akonkoma chief in Greater Accra to rest. And early this year, the funeral was done and he was laid to rest in Manchoni, that is in the Bembla district. So beginning March, we met, the Konkomes representatives met and started the process of getting somebody to take his place. Because a leaderless people could bring problems. You need somebody who will lead, who will steer, who will negotiate, who will, and so on and so forth. And today, our main purpose for coming is to come and introduce the one we have chosen to lead us. And that is why we are here. The Olebu chief, Konkoma chief at Olebu, and he is the person of Chief Intiado. This man I'm going to introduce is already a chief for Konkombes and Basaris in Tema and Ashama region. And he will therefore mean that as already a chief, he is being elevated and given more responsibility. And this is based on what he has done and has shown and has proved that he is capable of leading and relating us with other groups. And so it is my singular honor to introduce to you and the palace Chief Magan. And you, the chief, you need to also give respect to your elders. And the rest of the country. And when that happens, there will be development. No matter what happens, we are people, we are human beings. Once we are people, and you'll be given this unique position, some will like you, some may not like you. But once you are now the father, whether they like you or they don't like you, all of us are your children. So you try and listen to all of us. And you don't look and discriminate and say for this one He likes me and I'm going with him, or he doesn't like me.
Keba na ka to na to bo na he mi she.
And when that happens, your position, you will not be happy.
Work mo lo bu amofia mo na.
So try as much as you can to bring all together.
Me e focus e wa ya you fa no.
And your focus will be on the youth. A younger one who will take over from us.
Le kwa am school gbaja no to.
And their education.
Ke feel odugba e ba enjoy.
And if you do that well, you will enjoy your tenure.
Bia na gbe egbele hale.
Now the door is open for you.
Akabo e ba tia.
You'll be welcome home.
Non ma keleji ke na gbako. The more ejomo e cha bel ke le bi.
And so what I will say finally is that if you have any consent, please feel free and get closer.
Nga na sani ke wule kwa wule.
And then whatever advice he has for you, he will give that advice.
Share ni ta bi de simple manche pe jini.
This position, I'm not only the simple manche, the simple chief. Manche is chief.
Gan fe man kalu jini.
The whole of Ghana, Greater Accra, is the man.
O ke imu emi agbena.
And once he has held your hand, finish.
E ka wu mi ngbele. E ka wu mi ngbele.
So do not disgrace me.
Ana nuku emi no ake iwale we bi.
They say something in you. That is why you've been entrusted with such power and authority.
Bia na ma boletwe. Le ike mi nuku. Ake ni tumo na ke hale. Ehe wo mi de ba nya tu. Ni e ma bi efe anu.
So now what I want is for you a brief acceptance. Tell you what now that you've been given this position, what do you do?
O aboletwe.
But since this has been granted to me, I would like to say, may you live long. Your Majesty, we have quite a huge number of Konkombes in the Greater Accra region. Konkombe people are peace-loving people. Your Majesty, we are hard-working people, and we cherish and respect our neighbors. I want to assure you that the unity and the peace that we all enjoy in the Greater Accra, we are going to hold it and then sustain that. Your Majesty, we will help the region in any other way or any other form that will be demanded from us as a tribe in the region. Your Majesty, we will do all we can to keep the peace that I earlier spoke about. Your Majesty, what we're going to do again is to protect the dignity of the Konkoma people. As the saying goes, they say charity begins at home. Even if we feel that there is a mole or anybody within the Konkoma fraternity that is going to disturb the peace that we are all enjoying, we will let you know, and then we will handle the person according to the laws of the country and yourself. I would like to lastly say, I am grateful to all the Konkoma chiefs in the country, both within Greater Accra and then outside Greater Accra, all the elders within Greater Accra and outside Accra. As the saying goes, one finger can never lift a stone. I am calling on everybody to bring their hands on deck. You should let us sit on a round table as a tribe and then try to help each other. All what is important here is development, peace, and nothing more than that. I'm grateful to you, sir, Your Majesty, and your elders. We'll do all we can to support each and every one of our brothers and then the Ga people in the region.
Oh, menashi suwa. Ima suwa na ma suwa. Bobo loma wo. Bobo loma wo. e bo bo ma wo je di abo kwa mi asase afia ataboji mo no bo nwe no bo spo no bo che no bo te no bo goji no bo pa no bo madesa ukane me fe ne hina apa nto ka fe ni go madesa adu mo ni achi ogba ataboji pe lo je me atawo che bo shidu mo ne mi ni bo afa se no tara ni dare no ka so ka bi e ko manye ko so ya ni afo shani afa na gba ta fe ko so awo e na e bo so mi sa na ogbe dada o shiche mera kibiki amralo bi amralo agbe amubio obetotro amenfo amenawa amena chochogo seka me fasha metumeto alumesa agboye ni o osachoku osayanyira oboto kwashi bosu abran akredede lenta mama to mama osabenku etu opai totro afrimio atancho yetenye ma emi ademi yabo otu akosi atancho yetenye ma eni jepi yo manu atancho yefen tenye ma english kojo ni sen atancho bo chabo ma o fosu ajima atancho ye itenye ma afi okropo yakesie yabojo fojo machine ka break maku awo atancho ye tenye ma agbaduku atancho ye fe tenye ma ekra obeka no chekra pe wo nyawu tetedanyo atancho bo chabo ma brafo akroma akrama obobi atancho ye fe tenye ma egwa obegwa no chegwa to bitoro so uno so ngami atancho bo chabo ma oyadu agba atancho bo chabo ma kan so ri ko dawo mu akoye alogo bi alo ofita osa antalola abochala kebile atancho je fete mai na ko le aboyo shedu katamato gbogbo tu do de aye ni ato mo sate ko ye asate suro wa na suro na bojo ko fa change out botesa no wa fro ba suro no no bra fa suro ye no ni afa musuga mo nya auto fo kesu awo o nya kwashi agbopro la tebi oko apari kana no atancho ni tenye mai ma wo ko gbe atancho ni tenye mai ma po na gbe gbafia na okojo na di na chu na solo bosunpra okuja atancho ni tenye mai osukrote la pa bu osabu atancho ni tenye mai akejo bu to pra ka gbe adanso ka gbe langba ka gbe ko owo mi fe je fatami tenye mai wala bia wala ha wala ni afo shani afela ba twa so awo na chemeka nyame je fo ko to ni le chi wanyame konkoma bi ye mene kashina to shate manchani nya me yin nwa pale ni tumo oni nwa pale ni tumo akwamia hu ana obanu fio ni akele to energia na to le pe kama shiko kama no mi sakashi ameba na me kama eba to ni sempe ama na woni okropo na no di mankal na no di ati manche yoshuma ama nale kashi wonte wana ni sempe ni di ni ado to tinto na no di kan fe mankal o konu woke wo manche abachole yawo kam ni ni sempe mu mi pa ka manche eye me na me ka mo nupa fe ka me manyeme ama kwashi fe ka me madia olobu manche me ka di community manche me ka di fe koko ma bi ameba na me ba hu o kusu ni sa ma fe akeshi na ajona ko to ja ajona preto ni sempe le nka e wo chi fe amemo amemi akame bande ko me ameka ne di enyom yawo ni mo ba fita ni sempe ko ni aketwa gan fe na aketwa no fe alowo ni ma mo se bi fe ni obi ale ni wo fe ko me ni o ketwa ko ma bi fe wo fe ko me ko na ke wo gan fe yin alowo man kan na fe kaje enyela bonsa ya to so ko aso me so bo na kama musu kama so atra na me ni so ni fe na me tawo e ba me ha na kaji mo ko aka ke po me na le ban bi na wule keta sen no abakwa gbani ba cho ne ba yi ma chena ka we musu ka ma sa te be na me fe ko me na me ba ma yi na ka no atwa me no kai na me ba na me kala le ba ka me ya me kala le ba ya anya me fa me hi abu me ka me bi ka me ho fe ka me wo ko cho mi fe abu mo fi amu atwa no kai fu afa nyoji fu afa abrama twa no manya ba
Aigo.
na chameka nyeme wo cheke teke ba me ko na me nu da nuji na me nikaji la je won nuji na ke nikaji aye sane na ke nu hwese no fa no joy o ka nu na hwesi ni na da no ka hwesi ni na wa fa ajo ya wo ya fa na ba na e fe to jola ha twa no manya ba
Aigo.
ba